There's always some random water bottle everywhere. Right there. Today is Monday. First of all, I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. Yes, sweetie. Okay, honey, I'll come up in a second. So I'm about to start a load of laundry. I have a few errands to run, and I have Christmas decorations out over there, and I'm hoping to decorate today for Christmas. So I have to clean the entire house before I can start decorating, because it makes no sense decorating a dirty house. Like, I have to clean the baseboards, I have to clean the doors. You just wipe them down, make sure they're nice and spotless. I have to take the curtain down, wash them, iron, put them back up, clean the floors from top to bottom. Well, clean the floors and just dust and just make sure everything is cleaned. Have a nice I have to wash the cushions. I have to take the seats off and wash them. So I'm going to start a load of laundry for us first. That way, the washer is free for me all day to do all the washing of the other stuff. I think that's the only thing I have to do is our laundry today, and then everything else is okay, honey. I'm coming. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. Light. So, and then I also have to strip my bed, put on new sheets, but I'm not going to wash my bed until later on this afternoon. So I hope you guys are ready for some Christmas decorate. Not in this video. It's not going to be in this video. It's going to be a whole separate, complete different video for that. But anyways, good morning, guys. I usually throw our towels in there that we use. Question: how often do you guys change out your towels? I usually try to change it out like midweek. So I'll put a new towel in today. I'll try to change it out around Wednesday, and then that towel will last us until the weekend. But let me know how often you change your towels, because I'm interested to know whether or not I'm changing it too often, not often enough, or what we're doing works fine. But let me know in the comment section below, guys. What time is it? 7:07. Jackson go back to school today. Did I tell y'all about the whole thing? Turned out the kid that they thought had, well, the kid that tested positive for COVID, he doesn't have it. It was a false negative. It was a false positive. So he got retested and found out that he doesn't have it. So they were being quarantined for 14 days. They did 1 week last week, and now this was supposed to be the second week, but they're going back to school. So Jackson has to bring all his stuff back with him. So I'm going to go stuff those in my truck and try not to forget anything, because I have a busy day today. Speaking of truck, I have to clean out the front seat of my truck. For some reason, stuff just piles up right here. I don't know why, but I think I just need to clean out the front seat. Like, why do I have an umbrella in here? Like, it hasn't been raining for a hot little minute. I still have apples. I mean, they've been doing good with them, but still, I need to clean out the garage. I need to do a lot of things, and I'm just one person. I just like when the holiday season get here, like the entire house is just like spotless, and it's just, for some reason, dirt makes me anxious. Like it makes my anxiety just like, and you would think that I wouldn't have kids. Like, kids are messy. Jackson, come on. No. Put all your stuff in the is that everything? Everything. Your Chromebook, all the pencil, the books, crayons, glue stick, everything. Yes. I do not want nobody calling me asking me for anything. Go and put it in the truck, please. Okay. What was I saying? I don't even know, but I'm going to go clean out this truck and get these kids off to school, and then I have to go to one of my really, really good friend's house and pick up some stuff, and then make it back down the mountain. Make it back up the mountain, and come and clean this house. Oh, I forgot. I gotta show you guys something. I got a Christmas tree. This is the $30 flocked Walmart tree. I'm gonna put this outside my front door. Okay, so the truck is cleaned out. Now to my virtual kids before I leave. I'm trying to find Madison's shoes. She's not helping. She's over there playing on the phone. I have Mr. Jordan here. Say hi, Jordan. And then Jaxson. I'm gonna kick him out because I have to. Let me get some light going.
Kick me out?
Yeah, I'm gonna kick y'all out of my dining space because I need to bring up all my Christmas stuff and lay it out on this table. Okay? And for some, no, you can stay. I said when I come back. Because I think this is the area that I'm gonna decorate first. But Mr. Jaxson, you guys know Jaxson. He is my non-autistic twin because the twins are twin. I was getting ready to say the twins are twin. That makes no sense whatsoever. But one of the twins is autistic, and that's Jordan. Jaxson, he only has something else, and I'm not gonna disclose that on here. I'm not going to, but Jordan, I feel like that's, comfortable. Like, for the longest time, I didn't share that. But anyways, in due time. But Jaxson has an IEP as well. And Jordan has an IEP. Madison has an IEP. And if you don't know what an IEP is, I will probably leave a link down below for you guys to go and read all about it. But he is missing a bunch of work from his math class, and his teacher was really sweet and nice enough to call me and let me know that he's slacking off. Like, not slacking off because he does his work. It's just that with virtual, it's kind of hard, like extremely hard. So she was like, she knows he's not intentionally trying to fail her class. So she sent me all the work. So I'm going to have him work on that before class starts, which is like in 30 minutes, and try to knock out as much as he possibly can, and then hopefully he can pull his grade back up. So yeah, showing that he did what she was asking of him. He got a B on that one. A few of them he got an F. Okay, so they're taken care of. Now I have to find Madison's shoes, which I need to go boot shopping for her because her boots from last year, I don't think they're gonna last this winter. Her room is a hot mess. Like, legit, I have to throw out some of these toys. I can't. I really can't. My anxiety, I need to get out of this room. My anxiety is not, I need to throw away at least, not even throw away, but I need to donate at least 70% of what Maddie owns as toy. I can't do it. I can't find Maddie's shoes. But I feel like I'm going to be extremely thirsty. I don't like the orange one of these. But I've lost 7 pounds this week. If you guys don't know, I gained all the weight that I lost last summer. I gained it all back because I was, so, but that's what I drink now because I don't like to drink water. Where's your shoe? All right, let's go. I need a jacket. What do you say? Let's go. Huh? What bell ringer? Yeah, no, I want you to work on the lessons. Hang on. I want you to work on the lessons that I wrote down for you just now. Dude, I have legit 2 minutes to put that toddler in the truck and get out of here. The lessons that I wrote down just now, those are the ones I want you to work on before your class starts at 8. Do not try to rush through them and get them all wrong because that would defeat the purpose. Take your time. You don't have to work on all of them. Take your time. Do what you can. You don't have to do all of them today. So you just pick 2. Do 2, and then later on when you have a little break, you do another 2, so on and so forth. But don't try to rush through. Don't Don't try to rush through it and get it wrong, okay? Calm down, and then by the time 8 o'clock comes, you log out of all that and go to your class, okay? I love you. See you guys later.
You can say blur.
Bye. All right, let's go, guys. Come on, Manny. I gotta go drop off these private school kiddos and go run a few errands, and then I'll be back in a little bit. Bye, Judge. Be good, okay? Did someone take out the dog? Take out the dog. You have 2 minutes. Take him out. Judge, she's gonna take you out. They don't take out this dog to save his life. When you go to start your truck and the car says, no key detected. That's me. You look on the island
Sure.
in the kitchen. You see my keys.
No key detected.
I am running 1 minute behind. So I guess I'm going to have an amazing day. Good morning, Madison. She's over there in her own. Jaxson, do you have everything? I am not coming back. And I do not want to be bothered. All right. Let's do this again. Yay! I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, guys. So it's 9:57 or something. I spent way too much time at my girlfriend's house. I was not trying to spend as much time as I did there, but it was nice seeing her and catching up and actually having adult conversation, you know. So, well, I forgot to get the stuff out of the back of my truck, but she gave me some stuff. Hey, Maddie. Hey. Actually, I gotta back up my truck. I have to. I actually forgot I have to leave, like right now. I just backed up the truck in the garage. And I have to go do lunch pickup. Maddie, you want to stay or you want to come? You want to stay? Okay. I'm going to leave her with her brothers for a little bit.
My phone. My phone. My
Okay.
phone.
I'm going to get you your phone.
My phone.
Okay. Here you go. All right. Hey, boys. I have to go pick up y'all lunch. I just got in the house and I gotta go back out. How's everything going?
Good.
Good? All right. Matt, take your stuff off and have a seat. I'll be right back. All right. Okay. It's 11:30. It's 11:30. That's why you can't plan your day. Can't plan your day because it's just been chaotic. So I picked up their lunches. Excuse me. Picked up their lunches. I think it's spilled.
Deal?
It's spilled. Yep, it's spilled over. But I'm gonna go clean up this mess and then show you guys everything that I got for them. Okay. So I don't even know where I left off. I'm working on my arms, guys. Like, I'm working on it. Like, I'm toning it. Do you see the muscle definition? But, you know, relax this leg. But I'm working on these arms in the gym. But anyways, I can't even. Can't even is my mug of choice. I'm gonna make me some coffee right now because I need it. Like, I could fall asleep right now. Like, it's 12:30. I go for pickup in about an hour and a half. A little bit more than an hour and a half. I have to undecorate my kitchen from fall. Put away all the fall stuff. Clean. I still haven't even changed over the load of laundry that I put in this morning. But I'm going to show you guys something. Look at this. Why? Madison. But why? I decided to plug it in here. so I can see what it looks like before I put it in the front of my house. I really don't want to put this thing in the front of my house. I might just stick this in Maddie's room. I really don't want this thing in the front of my house. I don't do blow ups. I think they're garbage bags. I don't do them, but Rob got it for the baby. So yeah. Over here, these are their breakfasts. So they give them 5 breakfasts for each day. They get a fruit. They were doing apples, but they're now doing fruit cups. And then they get juice and milk. The sandwiches are in the freezer. Look at that. I'm trying to give y'all a good picture. It says, I can't even. I'm going to go sit outside and drink this because it's nice outside. Not every day I come outside and enjoy the sunshine, but today I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to rock myself, and I'm going to think, I'm going to pray, I'm going to be thoughtful. What is that? I don't know. I'm just going to go just clear my brain, clear my head space, and then go back in my house because my house stresses me out. It just does. Too much stuff, too much things, too much. It just, sometimes we have to take time to appreciate the things we have and stop trying to accumulate so much crap, because at the end of the day, it ends up killing you. Stress will kill you. Anyways, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Can y'all believe this? Look at this. This is bull. This is bull. So, in the middle of decorating my front, I realized that I don't have this guy. I don't have a container to stick him in. So, I had to come to Hobby Lobby to get a container to stick my tree in. I didn't really show you guys anything because I'm hot, miserable. I'm late to pick up the kids. Not really. I'm pretty sure I'm at the back of the line. It's 3:13. They get out at 3:15, and I'm still here. So I'm pretty sure I'm at the back of the carpool. So I'm trying to see if I should run to, because their school is very small, so carpool lane goes fast. But I'm trying to see if I should run to the Dollar Tree and get some batteries, because I need batteries. So I might just pick them up and then go there, but I just don't like bringing a whole bunch of kids behind me into the stores, especially with COVID. Just finished dinner. My order from Amazon just came in. I did the outside already with the lights. I'm gonna show you guys if I can see. So I put up my wreath. This wreath I got from Walmart on clearance last year for $5. Not Walmart, Hobby Lobby. I might change out the bow situation and add some fair lights to it. That's next. I put up my Walmart tree. So I got my Walmart tree. I still have more stuff to put out here, but I still have to figure out my wiring and all that stuff. Then I got my lights here. These were clearance from Target last year, as well as this one, mini over there. And then I just added these garland. They are battery operated. And then I got 2 of my window wreath up, and I can't really show you. There go the wreath on, and then on that one. Need to get some light for that, but yeah, this is what the outside is looking like. I think I need one more garland. Now I gotta finish up, but I started late Minnie over there looking all pathetic. I started late, and I gotta get my Christmas sign to go up. And you walk in, and it's still fall. Still fall. So that's as far as I've gotten with outside. Still have to clean the inside. And then I'm gonna string all my other lights and put on my new bows, because I took off the bows that were on them for 2 years now, and I'm replacing with new bows. And this time I'm putting them inside of my screen. The last 2 years I had them on the outside of my screen. Even though they look pretty that way, the wind just destroyed the bows. So I think I'm gonna keep them on the inside of the screen this year. I don't know if I'm gonna change out these signs. This is the only thing that's gotta go. And I might replace it with my other, my regular Decor sign. And I want to do something here, but I don't want to take on any projects right now, because it's in the middle of birthday anniversary, Christmas, Thanksgiving. I don't want any more projects for the year.